the big man's back. www.thekidfrombrooklyn.com. I'm sitting there laughing, thinking about Brooklyn in the good old days, you know. They used to have a guy there called Pete the Nut, you know. Some guys were born with a couple of screws loose. This was the guy, Pete the Nut, growing up in Brooklyn. I swear my mother, you know, I was about 14, 15 years old. He says, come on, I'll take you out for a good Italian dinner, you know. We went over to Rizzo's Pizzeria over there on Rockaway Parkway and Glenwood Road in Brooklyn. I went over there with Pete the Nut, you know. We ate like fucking horses, baked clams, fucking linguine with fucking clam sauce, all kinds of fucking desserts. The way... I swear my mother, the waiter brought the check over, handed it to fucking Pete the Nut, and Pete the Nut started going, ow, ow, ow. He started fucking, ow. He started fucking howling in the fucking joint. I swear to God, the guy took get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of here. Ow, ow. Imagine trying that today. Going into one of them big fucking fancy restaurants, building up a $500 check. The fucking waiter comes over. Oh! Oh! I'm gonna fucking try it. They'll throw you out of the fucking joint. Is it against the law to fucking howl? Oh! Anyway, think about it. This is the big man, the voice of the people. Oh! And the big man's always happy to see